Everyone thinks the best-selling laser hair growth cap is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, iRestore Professional. First up is the iRestore Professional with its rechargeable battery pack. Priced at $1,079, it's definitely a premium option. What caught my eye was the impressive 282 lasers and LEDs designed for comprehensive scalp coverage. If you're serious about hair regrowth, this is worth a serious look. Many users have reported seeing visible improvements within 3 to 6 months, which makes it a strong contender in the laser hair growth market. With 1,600 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, it's clear this product has a following. Now, some people complained about the price being a bit steep. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a significant commitment to your hair growth journey, this investment might pay off in the long run. Plus, the rechargeable battery pack adds convenience for those busy days. This is perfect for you if you're ready to put in the effort for healthier hair over time. Skip this one if you're looking for a quick fix or a budget-friendly option. For the features it offers, the value is solid. Now, if the price of the iRestore Professional bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, iRestore Professional System. Next, we have the iRestore Professional Laser Red Light Therapy System, priced at $899. Similar to the first one, it also boasts 282 lasers and LEDs for full scalp coverage. If you want a reliable solution for hair thinning, this is definitely worth considering. The hands-free design is ideal if you want to multitask while treating your hair. Just plug it in and let it do the work while you catch up on your favorite show. This system is clinically studied, and it's been shown that 100% of users saw visible results, increasing their hair count by an average of 43.2%. Here's why this matters for you. Consistent use can lead to a noticeable difference without invasive treatments. That said, some users noted that it requires being plugged in, which can be a hassle if you're looking for mobility. However, if you're someone who prefers to relax at home while you treat your hair, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you value at-home convenience and proven results. Skip this one if you need a portable option. For the effectiveness it offers, the price is reasonable. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for value seekers. Product number 3, iRestore Essential. Now let's talk about the iRestore Essential, priced at $499. It's a more budget-friendly option from the same brand, but still FDA cleared. If you're on the fence about investing in a laser cap, this one deserves your attention. This cap still gives you the same FDA-cleared treatment for hair loss, making it suitable for both men and women. It's also lightweight, making it easy to wear during your daily routine. In fact, 3,400 reviews with a 4-star rating show that many people have found success with it. However, some users felt that the comfort level wasn't as high as the more expensive models. Here's the thing though, if you're just starting out, this could be a perfect entry point without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you're looking to try laser treatment without a huge commitment. Skip this one if comfort is your top priority. For the price, it offers decent value. Now, if you're looking for something more affordable but still effective, check out this next option. Product number 4, Viconer Laser Cap. Next up is the Viconer Laser Hair Growth Cap, priced at just $62.98. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, which definitely caught my attention. If you're looking for an accessible way to try laser hair therapy, this might be your go-to. This cap utilizes low-level laser therapy to promote hair growth, targeting specific areas of the scalp to ensure coverage. It's lightweight and designed for daily use, which is great if you're looking to incorporate it easily into your routine. With a solid 4.3-star rating from 111 reviews, people seem to appreciate the effectiveness at this price point. However, some reviews mentioned it not being as effective for severe cases of hair loss. Here's the thing, if you have mild thinning and want to give it a shot without spending a fortune, this is a great entry-level choice. This is perfect for you if you're just starting to notice hair thinning and want to try something low cost. Skip this one if you have advanced hair loss. For its price, it's a fantastic value. Now, if you're after something more high-tech, the last product might be exactly what you need. Product number 5, the Regrowth Pro. Finally, let's look at the Regrowth Pro Laser Hair Growth Helmet, priced at $995. This cap is unique because it only uses lasers, not LEDs, which is a bold choice. If you want a premium experience, this could be the one. Designed by a former NASA scientist, this helmet uses advanced laser technology to deliver targeted light therapy. The 4080 laser diodes ensure deep penetration for optimal results. The ergonomic design is comfortable, allowing you to wear it while doing other tasks. With a 4.2-star rating from 464 reviews, it clearly has its fans. Some users found the price point a bit high for their budget, but if you're serious about your hair restoration journey, the quality and effectiveness might justify the investment. This is perfect for you if you want a top-tier laser treatment experience. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget. For the technology it offers, the price is fair given its benefits. So to sum it all up, the Iristore Professional is a great high-end option with comprehensive coverage, while the Iristore Professional system offers similar benefits at a slightly lower price. The Iristore Essential is a solid entry-level choice, and the Viconor Laser Cap is perfect for those on a budget. Finally, the Regrowth Pro is for those looking for the best technology. Whatever your budget, there's a laser cap here for you.